Welcome to our world of enhanced pleasure and confidence. At Jamaican Stone, we understand the importance of lasting intimacy. We're here to help you take control and experience the best in your intimate moments. At Jamaican Stone, we are dedicated to providing natural and effective solutions for men who want to take their sexual stamina to the next level. With years of expertise in traditional remedies, our goal is to improve your intimate life safely and discreetly. This powerful and natural remedy has been trusted for generations to help delay ejaculation, giving you control when it matters most. Simple to use, long-lasting effects, and 100% natural ingredients. Ready to experience a new level of pleasure and confidence? Order Jamaican Stone today and discover the secret to a more satisfying intimate life. Visit JamaicanBlackstone.com.